So first you want to start off by tracing your circle template onto the foam, and it can be as big or as small as you want, and you don't have to do just one pancake, you can do as many as you want. So next you want to start cutting this out. So here's what it should look like so far, and you just want to keep trimming it until it kind of looks like a cylinder shape. So next you want to start rounding off the top and the bottom, so you just want to carefully just trim around the edge like this. And you just want to just smooth off the shape. And you also want to do the same for the other side. So I'm just going to finish that and then I'll show you what to do next. So next what I did was I drew out 4 lines going all the way around the squishy. And these are going to be our pancakes all stacked on the top of each other. And you can choose to do it this way, or you can just cut them all out individually and then just glue them together. But I'm just doing mine this way. So then what you want to do is you want to start cutting off the pen lines, just really carefully. And you want to do that for all the lines that you've just drawn. So I'm just going to finish that. So here's what the final shape looks like. So as you can see, I cut off all of the pen lines. And yeah, I know it's still not completely perfect, but this is the best that I could do. So now we can start painting it. Okay, so next what I did was I painted the pancakes a light tan colour, and for that I just mixed some white, yellow and a little bit of burnt sienna paint together. And you just want to paint the whole thing. So now let's move on to the next step. So next what I did was I used the burnt sienna paint and I added shading to the top. Not sure if you can tell because of the lighting, but yeah, I just made the top a little bit darker, and I also did the same for the bottom. And I also added shading to all of the lines as well. So now let's move on to the final step. So now it's up to you what toppings you want to do for your pancake. I just decided just to do syrup and butter. But you can just look up images on Google and you can just do whatever toppings you want. And this is also optional, but you can also choose to paint on a really cute face. So that's what it looks like, and now you just want to let this dry and then your squishy will be done. So here it is once it is all dry, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I ended up changing the face slightly because I didn't really like how it looked at first. But again, you don't have to add a face if you don't want to. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know it still doesn't look completely perfect. I probably could have made the lines a little bit more deeper so it would have looked more realistic, but that's fine. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and as always, please feel free to request more squishy tutorials or videos you would like me to do in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.